Hi there! Welcome to Scratch Superstars. I'm so excited to be your coding teacher. My name is Jessie, and in this course, you're going to learn how to create your very own games using Scratch. What's Scratch? Scratch is a free coding platform where you can make games, animations, and interactive stories by snapping colorful blocks together, just like Lego. The best part? You don't need to type any complicated code. Everything is visual and fun. In this lesson, you'll learn how to make the Scratch cat sprite move across the screen. It's your very first program. Are you ready? Let's start coding. Let me show you around Scratch. When you open Scratch, you'll see three main areas. On the left, we have the block palette. This is where all your coding blocks live. They're organized by color. Blue blocks control movement, purple blocks control looks, yellow blocks are for events, and so on. In the middle, we have the stage. This is like a movie screen where your programs come to life. See that orange cat? That's called a sprite. The cat's name is Scratch Cat, and it's the main character in our program. On the right, we have the code area. This is where you'll snap your blocks together to write your program. Got it? Blocks on the left, stage in the middle, code on the right. Simple. Now let's make something happen. We're going to make the cat move to the right when we click the green flag. First, look at the top of the screen. See that green flag? That's the start button for your program. Now, in the block palette on the left, click on the Events category. It's the yellow one. Find the block that says, "When green flag clicked." It looks like a little flag. Click and drag it to the code area on the right. Drop it there. Great. This block tells Scratch, when I click the green flag, do whatever comes next. Next, click on the Motion category in the block palette. It's the blue one. Find the block that says, "Move 10 steps." Drag it to the code area and snap it under the green flag block. You'll hear a little click sound when they connect. Perfect. Now you have two blocks stacked together. This is your first program. It says, "When green flag clicked, move 10 steps." Let's test it. Click the green flag at the top of the screen. Did you see that? The cat moved a tiny bit to the right. That's because 10 steps is pretty small. Let's make it move further. Click on the number 10 in your Move 10 Steps block. Type 100 instead. Now click the green flag again. Whoa, the cat moved much further. The bigger the number, the further it moves. Now here's a cool trick. Click on the Motion category again and find Glide 1 seconds to X. 0 Y. 0. Drag it under your Move block. Change the 1 to 2. Now click the green flag. See how the cat glides smoothly instead of jumping? That's the glide block in action. Congratulations! You just wrote your very first Scratch program. You learned how to use the green flag to start your program, how to make a sprite move, and how to make it glide smoothly. In our next lesson, we're going to learn about coordinates. That's how we control exactly where our sprite moves on the stage. We'll also add some color and make things more exciting. You did an amazing job today. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Happy coding!